Welcome back to the channel. Just a quick one. Update on our Classic. As you can see, the bonnet is on it. I'll give you a bit of a walk around on that in a minute. Before we start, a massive shout out to Rover Steve 53. It's one of my subscribers who kindly sent me all the air filter bits that I need to fit the air filter box. So yeah, massive thanks for that, Steve. That's awesome. Let's have a bit of a walk around and I'll show you what's happened on progress. No video last week as I was taking the gearbox out of that Sprinter. I didn't bother filming it because, like, who wants to see a gearbox being taken out of a Sprinter? I'll spin you around anyway and show you. So there's the gearbox there on the floor, and there's the arse end of the engine where I took the box out of it last week. Royally killed my back lifting that out of there. The new gearbox is over by the door there, and I can't lift it on the stand, so Grant's gone off to get the engine hoist to lift that on the stand. I'm not going to bother filming doing that, it's pretty boring. Anyway, there's the Classic. End corner caps removed and all this flushed off. That looks quite smart, that does. There's a smash guard on the front. The rear bumper is here. That's been done as well. It's looking really smart. He's done a lovely job of that. And there's the other corner there. Oh, he's done an absolute cracking job of that. That looks smart. You see earlier on, yeah, the bonnet's on. All the paintwork is still yet to be flattered and polished. This is basically gun finish. Halfway through in the process, fitting some new piss flaps on it. Not sure what else has been done. I think that's about it for the week gone. I think Grant sprayed all. You pop the lid. I think he sprayed all body colour underneath it as well. Let's have a look. And the bonnet pulls on the other side, isn't it? No, I lied. It is this side. Yeah, it's all body colour underneath as well. Yeah, looking smart. She's not far to go now, and she'll be finished. So that's it. It really is just a quick update, just to show you progress on a Classic. It is almost finished. There's not much left to do. But it is all the little bits that take the time, as anyone who's done a restoration knows, or has built a car would know. It's just the fiddly bits that just take forever to sort out, you know, to get it all nice. So yeah, I'm going to do the gearbox on this piece of shit. And yeah, that's that really. So, I'm not sure what we've got next. Oh yeah. The Red Sport, the body's going to have to come off of that as the passenger side exhaust manifold is blowing, and obviously to get that off, the body, it's a TDV8, so to get that off, the body's got to come off. So that'll be coming up in a future video. I still haven't got the rest of the parts for the driver's rear door handle. So on that note, I'll leave you to it. Cheers for watching. I'll see you next time. All the best.